Hello and welcome to our video on the topic of cryptocurrency versus traditional investing, which is better? Cryptocurrency has been one of the hottest topics in the financial world over the past few years, with many investors jumping into the space to try and make a quick profit. But is it really a better option than traditional investing? Today, we will explore both of these options to help you make an informed decision. Part 1. Traditional investing. Traditional investing involves buying stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other assets through established financial markets. This type of investing has been around for centuries and is often seen as a safer option for those who prefer a more conservative approach. Traditional investing usually involves lower risks and potentially lower returns, but it also offers stability and a more predictable outcome. Part 2. Cryptocurrency investing. Cryptocurrency investing involves buying and selling digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others through decentralized platforms. This type of investing is relatively new and is often seen as more volatile and risky. However, it also offers the potential for higher returns and is often favored by younger investors who are more comfortable with digital assets. Part 3. Risks and rewards. Both traditional investing and cryptocurrency investing come with their own set of risks and rewards. Traditional investing is usually less risky, but it also offers lower returns. Cryptocurrency investing can be highly rewarding, but it also carries a higher level of risk due to the volatility of the market. Part 4. Diversification. One of the most important factors to consider when deciding between traditional investing and cryptocurrency investing is diversification. A well-diversified portfolio can help to mitigate risks and maximize returns. This means investing in a mix of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, as well as digital assets like cryptocurrency. Part 5. Conclusion. So, which is better, cryptocurrency or traditional investing? The answer to this question ultimately depends on your individual goals, risk tolerance, and investment strategy. If you are looking for a more stable and predictable option, traditional investing may be the way to go. However, if you are comfortable with taking on higher risks and potentially higher rewards, cryptocurrency investing may be worth considering. Conclusion. Thank you for watching our video on the topic of cryptocurrency versus traditional investing, which is better? We hope that you found this information helpful in making an informed decision about your investment strategy. Remember, no matter which option you choose, always do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. I think it's enough for today's video. I hope you gained some knowledge. If you gained some knowledge, then make sure to hit like and subscribe button. We will see you in next video. Thanks for watching.